the ferry over to that Paradise Island or such. The Norwegian Bliss is right here next to me, and I'm going to talk about it in just a second because it is very, very similar to the Norwegian Breakaway that many clients are on board for Thanksgiving, New Year's, and spring break coming up. And also the Getaway is very similar as well. Now the Bliss back here, above the word Bliss, you have the go-karts. The Norwegian Joy has the go-karts as well, and so does the new Encore that's being built. You have Spice H2O back there, and then there's a golf course kind of in between the go-karts and... Yes, we're good. Okay. I can still make it to dinner on time, I think. I've already talked earlier today about the angled balconies, the waterfront that you can see down there with people dining. You've got Cagney's back there, the steakhouse. You also have your Mexican restaurant on the other side of the aisle. My husband's favorite restaurant is one of these down here. God forbid they hate it. You also have water slides up there. Remember, this is the newest ship in the Norwegian fleet. Norwegian is currently building the Encore, which comes to Miami November 17th. And yes, I have a group rate on November 17th. You see all the balconies right here. Your standard balcony is about 32 square feet, 2 chairs, small table, unless I put you in a certain balcony that I like. And there's certain ones I like better than others, so most people trust my guidance there. And we're going to get over here to the Haven area, and I wanted to point out the Haven. Earlier today I talked about how you have the H6 category on the back corner with the huge balconies. Well, you also have over here. Oh my gosh, check this out. They're all dancing down there. They're having a lot of fun. Got some free stuff going on. Okay, so you have the different restaurants. There's a big pool area right there, kids aqua area as well, just outside the big water slide. On the other side, you have one of those drop water slides. And now we're coming up on the Haven area. The Haven is a ship within a ship concept. This is when you want a more luxury experience. It's more along the luxury line. You have access to all of the ship amenities, but yet you have kind of your own enclosed environment where you have 3 decks of the ship that you have access to. And you can notice these larger balconies right here. So let me zoom in. You have the larger balconies. There are some 2-bedroom suites that hold 6 people. You also have some forward havens as well. But you've got, not only do you have your 2 decks of rooms with your own courtyard pool, you have your own hot tub up there, your own deck area, and there's some people right up there enjoying the Haven there. But you've got your own ship within a ship concept, and it's a fantastic concept. You've got kids, you want to just kind of hang out, not be with the rest of the 4,000 people. It's a great thing. I have people on board this ship during the Haven. December 22nd. I'm doing it myself in 2019. I think I told my husband, but he won't know, hopefully. So he will notice once we get on board. But I did bite the bullet to finally experience it myself. It's something I've wanted to do and really be able to just speak truly firsthand from my experiences there. But as we are moving to the forward part of the ship, you're going to notice a lot of glass windows. So if you're in an inside room, to get the cheapest way you can on board, as we get up here closer to the bridge, there are some amazing observation areas, and that's what I'm waiting to get up here to see. So we're still got the Haven area going on up there, but the Haven area is connected. You see that forward, oh yeah, you see that forward penthouse. There's like the restrooms right there. I can see the blinds are up. Nobody's naked in the shower, so don't worry. I'm not going to zoom in on that. But you've got the forward. So look at all of these windows, all these amazing windows in the front. Can you imagine doing Alaska? To Alaska, you might have an inside cabin, but you can come sit and enjoy the forward observation areas. You have the general observation area on the bottom part, and then you have the Haven observation area above that. So you've got a lot of room to spread out and really enjoy Alaska. Even when you're in an inside cabin, you're not getting blown away, and there's fabulous food. There's a bar up front if you've got the drink package for the drink promo. It's just relaxing and such nice artwork. It's nice. And we know we got Wyland doing his drawing, down here. But again, the Norwegian Bliss was primarily built for Alaska. Lots of great things and features about the ship to make it absolutely great. And then she spends her winters down here in Florida, so you have an opportunity to go through the Panama Canal, the new Panamax canals, to go from East Coast to West Coast and vice versa. So Norwegian, I am a new Norwegian specialist. I've been cruising them since 2000. Gosh, several ships on those, but my latest Norwegian ship to have been on was the Norwegian Bliss, and that was disembarked that October 5th, and we took her from Vancouver to Los Angeles, so I did experience some time in the Pacific Ocean, and you know, I'm the one that gets seasick, so I wanted to experience that firsthand how I would do, and I did fine. We were also the very first time the ship ever went into San Francisco. We got to go under the Golden Gate Bridge, and we were told, I think we cleared the Lionsgate Bridge by about 2 feet when we departed early in the morning, October 1st from Vancouver. We had to go with the tide. That's how we right. So Norwegian Bliss, beautiful ship, but for those of you booked for the breakaway out of New Orleans coming up this school year, or the getaway next year, don't forget I do have group rates. That's huge group rates on Thanksgiving, New Year's Eve, and spring break I can roll you into for next school year if this school year isn't going to work. But if you want me to squeeze you in for this spring break, there is still room. I can get a family of 4 on board the Norwegian Breakaway that's very similar to that. One key difference, the Norwegian Breakaway doesn't have as big as a front observation area, but the Norwegian Breakaway does have a really cool ropes course. Doesn't have go-karts, but that ropes course has a zip line. So if you have any questions about booking Norwegian, want to jump in on a group rate where I can add you to it and not have to be, you know, in a group, just your family's going, you don't know anybody else, but you want to take advantage of some amazing deals, let me hook you up. Email me, CruiseByMandy@gmail.com. I am checking emails, answering emails, and of course I'll be disembarking this ship early Sunday morning, so I'll be back full force then. So there you go, Norwegian. There go the lights. Norwegian should be leaving safe. Ah, pretty. I see the lights turn on. I'm going to peek over here one more time because, again, as I said, I love Norwegian. And Ralph is not on board, so we couldn't have gone to see him anyway. Has already left. Dinner, we're doing La Petite Chef tonight. CruiseByMandy signing off on board Celebrity Edge.